License for a dog? Cebuano reacts to Canadian dog rules. You know, one of the biggest culture shocks I had when I moved to Canada was learning how complicated it is to own a dog here. In Cebu, it's so simple. You see a cute puppy in your neighbor's yard, you go, "Nay na moy extra IRO diha?" And boom, you have a dog. No paperwork, no fees, just a handshake and maybe a Tupperware of humba as a thank you. But in Canada, Isus, owning a dog is like applying for citizenship. First you have to decide, are you buying from a breeder or adopting from a shelter? In Cebu, the only breeder we know is the Aspen, Asong Pinoy, who had an overnight meeting with 3 other dogs down the street. Then they tell me, you must register your dog and get a license. License? Para makadrive Akong IRO? Will he take the bus if I don't? And it doesn't stop there. You have to get pet insurance, buy them expensive food, schedule vet checkups, kaysa Canada, ang IRO, mas dagan pag benefits kaysa sa akong lola, and the dog parks. Canadian dogs have designated spaces for socializing. In Cebu, our dogs socialize by running around the barangay, chasing kids and stealing pandesal from the sari-sari store. That's the original off-leash park. But the real kicker? Canadians throw birthday parties for their dogs. Cake, balloons, guest list. While in Cebu, if your dog turns 5, it's a miracle. We just tell them, "Uy, congrats! Wapaka nadakbi sa dog pound." I swear, if my Lola's Aspen in Cebu ever moved to Canada, he'd be deported within a week. No papers, no license, and guaranteed, he'd try to bite the immigration officer